Type, you cannot address me as Lizzy anymore. You must add doctor. What do you mean? This is latest doctor. Tia Rubber doctor. You are delete your comments. Hyperbola, was it? You must add doctor. You are talking to a doctor. Doctor of philosophy in business administration and management. Did you hear that? Not doctor of Olosholodo. Not doctor of Idokudo. Not doctor of Onibara. Not doctor of Party Rats. A doctor. This is sweetening me.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin ó ní wípé kó má ṣe àdírẹ́sì òun ní Lizzy Anjorin mọ́ àbí alájà ó ní wípé ó ní dókítà lòun ó ti fi lílẹ̀ wípé dókítà lòun lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí ó gba honorary doctorate degree ní ibì kan. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká pé kíká wo fídíò tó kù, ṣùgbọ́n arábìnrin yìí ó tún tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ wípé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kò ní sàtífíkẹ́tì kankan. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò ní sàtífíkẹ́tì kankan. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó tún sọ lẹ́yìn ìgbà náà nìyí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn èyí tó kù.
Ó dùn mọ́ mi yé, ó dùn mọ́ mi yá o, pé Jésù ní bàbá mi, hallelujah. Ó dùn mọ́ mi yé. Do you know that an entrepreneurship in Nigeria, it is extremely complex? At times, I feel like ṣebí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ kí lọ jókòó kí n kọra máa jẹ fàájì. Pẹ̀lú kan máa sọ fún mi pé keep pushing. Olùṣesí inú òtàn anything tó bá ní láyé tó bá ṣe kú ó máa padà broke. It has not been easy being an entrepreneur. And in my own case, I am not just a mere entrepreneur. I'm an entrepreneur with a lot of circumstances. A lot of circumstances. I'm an entrepreneur that I fought many battles to retain that status, an entrepreneur.